Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a Sesame Street character using ChatGPT. So if you ever wondered what you look like if you lived on Sesame Street, in this tutorial, I'll show you how I transform my photo into a Sesame Street style character using ChatGPT. And yes, you can totally do it too. So let's just open the ChatGPT application. So what you need to just write the prompt. Say you can just change this photo into a Sesame Street style. Okay, you can now upload the photo. You can tap on this image icon and choose photo. Then choose the photo that you want to transform or generate. So in here, let's say I want to change okay, let's say this photo is right here. You can click on a photo and tap on add. And now you can just click on send or upload it. You can also go with detail such as including color, personality, and a name if you want to. And just wait until the results came out. As you guys can see, it's still getting started. You can just wait until ChatGPT fully transform your image into a Sesame Street style character. Now it will creating the image. It may take a moment, so it also depends on your internet connection. So make sure that you have a good and stable internet connections. And this is it. This is my Sesame Street versions of the photo that I just uploaded. This one's right here. What do you think? So if you like with the result, you can now just tap on the photo and download it by tap on save in here, and that's it. So that's pretty much all. I hope you find this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.